Have you ever pondered the question, what if machines could think and learn like us? Welcome to the dawn of artificial intelligence, or AI, an era where this question is no longer a mere flight of fancy, but a reality shaping our world. Artificial intelligence is a fascinating and complex field of study that has been around since the mid-20th century. It was during the 1950s that pioneers like Alan Turing began toying with the idea of machines that could simulate human intelligence. This curiosity sparked a revolution, leading to the birth of AI as we know it today. In its essence, AI is a branch of computer science that aims to create systems capable of performing tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks could range from understanding natural language to recognizing complex patterns, solving problems, and even making decisions. AI has found its way into our daily lives, often in ways we barely notice. It's the invisible hand guiding your online shopping recommendations, powering your voice-activated virtual assistant, and even driving autonomous vehicles. It's in the way social media platforms curate content for you and how search engines provide you with the most relevant answers to your queries. But AI's potential extends far beyond these everyday applications. It holds the promise of transforming sectors like healthcare, education, and manufacturing, and it could even help us tackle some of the world's most pressing issues, from climate change to global poverty. However, with great potential comes great responsibility. As AI continues to evolve, it raises critical questions about privacy, ethics, and job displacement. It's a brave new world, one that we are still trying to navigate and understand. As we delve deeper, you will uncover the fascinating world of AI, where machines mimic human intelligence. But remember, this is just the beginning. The dawn of AI is upon us, and its full potential is yet to be realized. So let's embark on this journey together into the heart of this technological marvel. Artificial intelligence, in essence, is an attempt to recreate human intelligence in machines. Let's break it down, shall we? AI is a broad field, but it can essentially be divided into two types: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI, as the name suggests, is designed for a specific task. It's the kind of AI that powers your personal assistant, or the recommendation engine that suggests what movie to watch next. It's highly efficient, but within a very limited scope. Think of it as a virtuoso pianist who can play Mozart like nobody's business, but can't fry an egg to save his life. On the other hand, general AI is the stuff of science fiction. An intelligent system that can perform any intellectual task a human being can. It's not just about understanding a single task, but multiple tasks at once. Imagine a master chef who can also play the piano, write a novel, and solve complex mathematical equations. That's general AI for you. Now, how does AI achieve this? Well, it comes down to 5 key principles: learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, and language understanding. Learning in AI is all about improving performance. It's the machine's ability to refine its approach based on experience, just like how we humans learn from our mistakes. Reasoning, on the other hand, is about using the information to form conclusions. It's the process of making sense of the world, of drawing connections and making decisions. Problem solving in AI is the ability to navigate through a complex situation to reach a goal, just like how a GPS guides you to your destination. Perception allows AI to understand and interpret the world around it. It's the machine's ability to recognize a face in a crowd or identify a song by its melody. And finally, language understanding allows AI to comprehend and interact in human language. It's the reason you can ask your smart speaker about the weather and get an accurate response. That's the basic blueprint of AI, a blend of human-like traits in a machine. The magic of AI lies in algorithms, the brain behind the machine. Now let's delve into the world of algorithms, the invisible architects sculpting the intelligence in artificial intelligence. Algorithms, in the simplest terms, are a set of rules or instructions given to an AI to help it learn and make decisions. Think of them as the recipe AI follows to whip up its magic. But what's interesting is that these algorithms aren't just blindly following instructions. They're dynamic, adaptive, and constantly learning from the data they're fed. This is where machine learning, a subset of AI, comes into play. Machine learning is like a school for AI where algorithms learn from the data they're exposed to, much like how we learn from our experiences. Consider a child learning to identify a dog. They see different dogs of various breeds and sizes, and over time, they begin to understand the common characteristics that define a dog. Similarly, machine learning algorithms are fed massive amounts of data, and they learn to identify patterns and make predictions. But the learning doesn't stop there. These algorithms are designed to improve over time. They learn from their mistakes, adapt, and get better at their tasks, akin to a chess player refining their strategies with each game they play. Now, imagine trying to replicate the complexity of the human brain into a machine. Sounds daunting, right? But that's exactly what neural networks aim to do. They're a series of algorithms modeled after the human brain, designed to recognize patterns. They interpret sensory data, identifying underlying patterns much like our brain does when it processes sights, sounds, or thoughts. These neural networks form the backbone of AI, giving it the ability to learn, reason, and self-correct. So, you see, the brilliance of AI doesn't exist in a vacuum. It's meticulously crafted and honed by algorithms. They're the maestros conducting the symphony of data, orchestrating each note to create the harmonious melody of intelligence. Algorithms, the invisible puppeteers, shape AI into the intelligent entity that we marvel at. AI is not a distant future technology. It's here, now, enhancing our lives in ways we often overlook. Picture this: you're unwinding after a long day, browsing through Netflix, and voila! A new series pops up in your recommendations that aligns perfectly with your preferences. That's AI at work, learning from your viewing history and suggesting content you might enjoy. Then there's your trusty virtual assistant, Siri, who's always ready to answer your queries, set reminders, or even crack a joke when you need a laugh. It's AI again, processing your voice commands and responding intelligently. And how about those self-driving cars? They're no longer just a staple of science fiction. They're real, and they're navigating our roads right now, all thanks to AI's ability to analyze countless data points and make split-second decisions. But AI's reach extends far beyond these everyday conveniences. It's making waves in healthcare, offering predictive analysis to help doctors diagnose diseases early and accurately. It's aiding researchers in developing new drugs and personalized treatments. In the battle against climate change, AI is a powerful ally, forecasting weather patterns, monitoring deforestation, and optimizing renewable energy sources. It's contributing to making our planet healthier and more sustainable. And let's not forget about space exploration. AI-driven rovers are roaming Mars, gathering data, and paving the way for future manned missions. AI is helping us push the boundaries of human knowledge, venturing into the unknown and answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? So you see, AI is not just a buzzword or a futuristic concept. It's an integral part of our present, quietly working behind the scenes, making our lives easier, safer, and more exciting. It's helping us solve some of the world's biggest problems and opening up a universe of possibilities. From mundane tasks to monumental challenges, AI is silently revolutionizing our world. The question now is not what AI can do, but what AI will be able to do in the future. As we continue to push the boundaries of artificial intelligence, we are beginning to glimpse what a future dominated by AI might look like. A world where AI isn't just a tool, but an integral part of our daily lives. Imagine a world where AI systems can diagnose diseases before symptoms even appear, or where they can predict global trends with astonishing accuracy. A world where AI-powered robots are commonplace, not only in factories but in homes, schools, and hospitals. But as with any technological advancement, the rise of AI is not without its challenges. One of the most pressing is the impact on jobs. As AI becomes more capable, it's likely that many roles currently performed by humans will be automated. This could lead to significant job displacement. On the other hand, it could also create new jobs that we can't even imagine yet, just as the internet did a few decades ago. Then there's the issue of privacy. With AI systems increasingly capable of analyzing vast amounts of data, concerns about privacy are growing. In a world where AI can predict your next move before you even make it, how do we protect individual privacy? And what about the impact on society as a whole? AI has the potential to amplify existing inequalities, with those who can afford to leverage AI reaping the most benefits. But it could also be a force for good, helping to solve some of the world's most pressing problems. This brings us to the question of ethics and regulation. With AI set to play such a significant role in our future, it's essential that we have robust ethical guidelines and regulatory measures in place. These will help ensure that AI is used responsibly and that its benefits are shared by all. As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, AI promises a future full of possibilities and perils. As we step into this brave new world, it's up to us to shape the future of AI and ensure it's a future that benefits us all.